Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve a medium level problem which is LeetCode number problem number 5. So it is like longest palindrome substring. So what is a palindrome? Palindrome is like if we have like A B A. So if we reverse it then it again A B A. So it is a palindrome, okay? Now ABC is not a palindrome as reverse is like BCBA. So they are not equal, okay? So we need a palindrome and like okay. So the longest palindrome is BAB. Okay, this is the longest palindrome or ABA. There are two possible solutions. We can return anyone. Okay, and over here like two same characters are also. So there are two types of palindrome. Okay, one is the odd length, one is the even length. Okay, for odd length, like we can do. See, if we do brute force, like if we A, then we try all the substring. Okay, like B-A-B-A-D. Okay. If we take like B, B, then AB, then B, ABA, then this. Okay. And next time we go like A, B, A, and this. From we remove one character each time on each loop. Okay. So we will have a two nested loop, and there will be one more loop to find the palindrome. So this solution will be like O of big O of n cube. Okay. But we can do better, like what we can do, instead of creating all the possible substring, we can create like we can take this center and we can check like palindrome from the center. Okay, like we can take A, so we can start from B and go in both the direction, and then we can check. So it will be like one loop for each character, and one loop for finding the palindrome. So it will be big O of n square. Let's try to solve it in big O of n square. So yeah. So what we can do, we have two solution. One is like one is for odd length and one is for even length. So what we are going to do for even length, we are going to check so we are going to put left and right over in the center for odd length, and for even length we are going to do like over here like uh, over here left is equals to right. Okay, at the starting, and over here left is equals to sorry, right is equals to left plus one. Okay, and then we are going to check. Okay, so yeah, so let's start. So okay, so and we have to return a string. So let me create a global variable of starting index, like what does the our palindrome start as a valid index, and max length. Okay, max length of that palindrome. Okay, okay, now okay, let me write a loop like let I is equals to 0, I is less than s dot length, and I plus plus. So this is one loop. And now what we are going to do, we are going to check like we are going to create one function is palindrome, and we are going to left and right both are going to be I, the current character. And the second condition like left is going to be this and right is going to be I plus 1. Okay. And then we are going to return like s dot substring starting index, and then starting index. So we need length of this starting index plus max length, and we want to include okay max. Okay, this should be not len but length. Okay, max. So yeah, so max length, and we want to include this max length complete length. So we are going to do like plus one. So substring doesn't include the last character which is in the index. So last index it doesn't include. So we are going to do plus one. So now let's create a isPalindrome function. So function isPal, and it is going to take left and right. Okay. Now we are going to reiterate it over while the condition is true. What should be the condition? Left should be greater than equal to 0, and right should be less than right dot length. We are going to expand this in the opposite direction, left and right. Okay. So left is going to decrease, so it should be greater than 0, and right is going to increase, so it should be less than length. Okay. And we are going to check if left is equals to right, string of left is equals to string of right, then we are going to increase the condition left minus minus and right plus plus. So we are going to expand our window, so it is kind of a window. Okay, now suppose we found our solution. Now this condition terminated. So now what we are going to do, so now what is the length of this? Like, okay, we are going to check the length. Okay, so what is going to be length? So now suppose, okay, suppose we have we have D, A, B, A, C. Okay, so we are at the B. Now we are going to expand one character, they both character are the same. So it is going to expand at D and C. So we are at D and C. Okay, so this is the substring, and our our left is at over here and right is at the C. Okay, now we need this value, 3 value. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to subtract 2 from this, like the one for this character and one for last character. Okay, so like left minus right minus left, and we are going to subtract -2. Okay, since we need this inner string. Okay, we have to exclude left and right index since they are going to expand it. Okay. Okay, so this condition will only be false when they are not matching. Okay, so when the string is above. Okay, okay, so we are having. So now if this current length is greater than max length, okay, then we are going to update our answer. So starting index is going to be like left plus 1, since it is at the D, so we need the next character like A, and the length will be max length will be like right minus left -2. Okay, 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 this condition will be false. Like, why I'm telling like it will be at the D and C, since this condition is going to be false when they have the window is expanded above our needed array. Okay, needed window. Okay, let's try to run it. Okay, okay, so it is accepted, so answer is correct. Let's try to submit it. So it is accepted. Thank you.